In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Apple Pay to buy V-Bucks. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So before I get started on this video, I just want to mention that it is actually possible to use Apple Pay to buy V-Bucks. However, you're not going to be able to do it via the Epic Games Store or on Fortnite. The only way this is going to be possible is if you buy a V-Bucks gift card via a website that actually takes Apple Pay as a payment. So you can see this website that I'm on now allows you to buy Fortnite V-Bucks, and they do take Apple Pay as a payment. So all you would have to do is buy something like this, and from there you will get emailed a code. You can then go to the Fortnite website and log into your Epic Games account, and you can head over to this page where you can actually redeem V-Bucks. So all you have to do from there is get that code that got emailed to you, and you can paste it in here and then go ahead and click next. You then have to follow the on-screen instructions, and from there you will have successfully redeemed your card, and you would have successfully used Apple Pay to buy V-Bucks. So that's how you can use Apple Pay to buy V-Bucks. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.